To create Teresa's look, I used the tapered curling iron to get the opposite effect. The effect is one of reduced volume at the base while making natural-looking waves down the length of her hair. I then open those waves, working them with my hands, and the result is a really nice, natural-looking movement. Given that we're a group that has been working in this industry for years now, we have experimented with Elchim hair care tools, and they are truly very professional tools. They are very high quality tools. They make our jobs as hairstylists easier, simpler, and just a lot more fun. And another major benefit of these Elchim products is that they actually ensure good hair care while we work, which other tools just don't do.
Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome to How to Be Fancy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use a hairdryer when styling vintage hair. Now because I do so much with my hair, I usually let it air dry, but once a week I do a hair mask on my hair. Usually it's Olaplex or something like that. So I put it on my head, put my little shower cap on, and then set the hairdryer to the warm setting. Do that for about 30 seconds around the head to really help activate that hair mask. For my next trick, you'll need the little concentrating nozzle. This is what I like to do over any sort of hair set, whether it be hot rollers like this or anything else. I just take a sheer scarf to give a little protection, and then take the hairdryer on the cool setting and run it over the head for just a few seconds, and that really helps to lock in all of those curls and give you a good strong set. And finally, once you've got everything all brushed out and ready to go for the day, I give it a good spray and then take that same cool setting and just use it to really smooth out any flyaways. You can do this if your hair is up on the nape of your neck, but I like to do it around my curls just to really lock those into place so that they don't go moving anywhere.